So June went really, this whole year basically has gone really, really fast, and I've lost track of where I am every day. My hair's a bit of a mess. It's still in the braid from when I slept in it because I can't be bothered to do anything with it. But anyway, how are you all? This is to pick June's winner and start off July's challenge. There's going to be some changes, but I will explain that in a second once we've done picking the winners and things. I just think this is going to be the better way moving forward, so we'll do that. But let's pick the winners for June's challenge, which was summer. There's not very many of you entering today, so this won't take long at all. So if we can just switch to the other camera, if I get this right. Load, there we go. Now, still getting confused on where my mouse should be. So the first entry we had was Alice with that gorgeous coloured sorry, my throat's a little funny today. Oh look, I've somehow managed to have my caps the wrong way around. Don't know how that happened. There we go, Alice. Then we have Jo, who is actually asked not to be entered because she doesn't want to win again. But otherwise there'd only be 2 people and it's not much of a competition, so I've put you in anyway, Jo, because you put a product down. So and then we have Kat. So we'll see who wins. So let's give it a click and spin. My mouse in the right place. There we go. I still can't get used to which screen I'm looking at. I think it'd be a miracle if I do. And it's Alice. So Alice, I hope you're feeling better. If you haven't seen this by the time I speak to you next, I'll just chat to you, because I know that you're not very well, and you're so super busy you might not have time to watch the video too early. So if I haven't heard from you in a couple of days, I'll contact you. Chances are we'll probably chat before that anyway. Alice is local to me. She comes to my craft group and she actually lives in my village, so easy to get hold of. So I'm gonna go switch back up, mouse up that way. Let's switch back to the other camera. There we go. So those in the Facebook group would have saw Shelley's prize, but I promise you everyone's got their prizes. Shelley's just the first one to show in the group, and obviously Nikki showed hers on her YouTube channel. I don't expect you to show your prizes, you know, it's your prize, you do what you want with it, but I appreciate when you do show them, and hopefully when I get to see what you made with them. I saw what Nikki made with hers because she put it on her channel and it was so pretty, and I'm excited to see what Shelley does with hers. I follow her on her Instagram as well, so I can see all the work she does, and she does the most stunning shawls and things. They're so pretty, and she works really fast. So I love seeing what she's got. So that's it for the winner. Sorry, I think let's go on talking about July's. July's theme, I've forgotten to look what it is. That's a real good start, isn't it? I have a list on my phone for the entire year. Monthly themes, there we go. July. July is inspiration. So what inspires you to do things? Whether that's a project that inspired you to learn new stitches, do new colourway combinations, all sorts. I know that my first inspiration for different stitches was when I won another YouTuber's giveaway, Kim's, and she gave me the Wheel of Change blanket pattern, and it had so many stitches in that it inspired me to learn different stitches and do different techniques, and I just loved it. Sorry. So yeah, inspiration, anything that inspires you. Again, any craft, any art, anything that's creative. It can be cooking, it can be cake decorating, it can be knitting, crochet, yarn based crafts, it can be actual painting, anything that's creative. But this is where things are going to change this month. For the rest of the year, I'm still going to do the monthly themes. But instead of doing a giveaway every month, because not a lot of people are getting a chance to enter because everyone's got busy lives and things, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a note of everyone who enters each month. And then at the end of the year, so in December, when I do December's theme, sorry, at the end of December, after we've done December's theme, what I'll do is I'll do one big giveaway that I enter all of the names in theme as many times if you've entered. So if you enter every month from July to December, you'll get what was it? July, August, September, October, November. You'll get 6 months. That's really obvious, isn't it? God, I'm so tired. So you'll get 6 entries. If you enter 3 times, you'll get 3 entries. So the more you enter, the more chance you've got of winning. But it just means that people aren't rushing to try to get everything done in a month, because I know everyone's leading busy lives and it's getting harder. And this idea actually came from Kate, so genius idea, perfect. It was a good way to keep it going without putting any strain on anyone, because this is supposed to be fun. So yeah, enter whichever month you have time to do. Don't worry about getting entered every month. We'll just do a bigger giveaway at the end of the year. Not a massive one, I'm not rich, but I run with the rest of the month not having monthly giveaways. It means I can do a slightly bigger giveaway in December instead. Now obviously with Christmas posts and things, I'll probably hold off posting it out until middle of January, just to make sure Christmas post is caught up and it doesn't go wandering. So if you are looking for something to get at the beginning of January, don't wait on my thing. I'm going to wait until the Christmas post nightmare is over before I post the prize out. So probably mid-January, but I'll keep an eye on how delayed post seems to be after Christmas and make a decision. But I hope that's okay for everyone. I just think this is going to be much easier because it means that we'll have more entries when we do the thing instead of just a few people. God, it is not a good day today. Pollen, it's just, you know what it's like, innit? But yeah, so we're gonna get, I don't even know what I was saying. My brain is fried. Things not well. This is not being edited until tomorrow. Anyway, yes. So that's what the theme thing is. I hope everyone's okay with that. But that's about it. I will be doing it's not really an unboxing because it's not exciting, but just a kind of stock update thing. You can note that side, you can see a big box there. That's full of new undyed yarns that will get packed into this lot and then eventually dyed, and I'm hoping to film all of the dyeing. And then I have pots of new dye here which I'm going to show. I'll film that at some point during the week. I might do it while I'm live, I don't know, I haven't decided. But I thought you could see what's coming. No surprises, but it just gives me a little chance to chat to you all, doesn't it? So I think that's about it. I haven't really got anything to show you that I've made myself. I've been working on the peacock wedding shawl, and I've been working on some of the loom stuff, so the peg loom videos that I plan on doing. I'm doing finalisation of samples and things of them ready to film. So I haven't really got really any major projects finished. I've just been taking it easy and trying to slowly work through a list of things I've got to get done. So I have to admit I haven't got a summer theme thing done either. My own theme, and I didn't do anything. Oops. But you know what I'm like. I have to pick and choose, and it fell to the side. But oh well, never mind. Events are a little thin on the ground at the moment, which is giving me time to dye and get things sorted and organised, because the one I'm supposed to have this month has actually been cancelled, and though I could have signed up some other ones who had asked me to go along, I actually made the decision not to, because I'm not in a state to do a large amount of events at the moment. I have to really cut down on what I'm doing, because it's just, you know what it is. And I don't tell you about my health problems for sympathy, it's just so you know why things take so long, so you know that I'm not being lazy, and I'm not just, you know, I'm grateful for all of you that watch and take part in my events and comment and like my videos and share and things. I'm not like one of these small businesses that can do posting every day and you know, have a mountain of content for people. I can't do that. I do it when I'm feeling strong enough to do it, and that's it. So, but that's, you know, that's life. We all have our problems, don't we? We just get on with it. So, anyway, yeah, enjoy the theme. So, inspiration, see what inspires you. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do for this month's theme either, but we will see. We will see where we get, won't we? It's very bright through my conservatory today. I usually pull the curtain across and I forgot. Oh well, never mind. I'm going to go. I rambled for God knows how long. 10 minutes, I think, looking at that. So that's more than enough for the theme video, isn't it? I'll chat to you all when I do a live or something at some point, hopefully this week, but we will see. So you'll take care. Bye!